Today's video topic is ASMR. ASMR, which stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, describes a condition that produces a tingling feeling all over your body. Different audio and visual triggers can provoke this tingling sensation, such as fingernail tapping, whispering, or watching a brush stroke a surface. It's quite similar to the chills some people get when listening to music or when looking out at a beautiful landscape. In addition to all these, ASMR has the potential to help with feelings of anxiety. The research is promising, but limited. ASMR recently became popular, and experts are only just beginning to explore the potential benefits. The evidence available focuses mostly on self-reports of people. Several studies have found promising results, but more research still needs to be done. According to research from 2015, some people claim ASMR helps relieve negative mood symptoms like stress or feelings of depression or stress. It also appears to reduce chronic pain in some people. Research in 2018 suggests that watching ASMR videos can slow heart rate, leading to a state of relaxation and calmness. It is also noted that many viewers reported an increased sense of connection with others. Additional research from 2018 supports this and notes that other viewers claim that ASMR videos helped them sleep, unwind, feel comforted or cared for, experience less anxiety or pain, and feel better when sick or upset. Researchers don't know exactly how or why ASMR happens for some people. However, you can recreate these triggers through 1. Sound-based triggers. Many people report that videos of certain sounds help them unwind and feel calmer. For example, whispering. The person in the video slowly whispers specific phrases or words you can't make out. Tapping. You might hear fingernails or fingertips tapping on different surfaces, from a glass bottle to a desk or a candle. Page turning. You might hear the sounds of textbook pages or magazines, or the more papery sounds of a typical book. Crisp sounds. This might include sounds like paper crumpling, leaves crunching, or foil crinkling. 2. Visual triggers. Some reported visual triggers helpful for relieving anxiety include folding laundry. This helps to calm some people down because it reminds them of childhood. Stroking a pet. Watching a happy pet receive cuddles can help people feel relaxed and comforted. Brush strokes. Like a makeup brush stroking a surface, or the movement of a brush as someone paints. Hair brushing. Some people feel relaxed as someone combs, strokes, or plays with their hair. However, you should keep in mind that ASMR doesn't work for everyone. Things to keep in mind. ASMR is not a replacement therapy for other anxiety treatments, like medication. If experiencing ASMR provides enough relief to reduce your anxiety and improve your well-being, then go ahead with it. If ASMR only relieves your symptoms temporarily, you should reach out to a therapist who can provide professional support and guidance to help you manage your symptoms in a more lasting way. There's no reason to stop using ASMR as a coping strategy alongside treatment as long as it works for you.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.